Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be going over a ad copy AI called Jarvis.AI. Okay, it'll write your social media content, emails, websites, but I'm going to go over something in particular today. All right, and it's going to be on how to write a good YouTube description. Okay, so we're going to start right now. And we're going to go to, I have one pre-made. We're going to go to a pre-made one. Let's see here. Where is it at? So this one, it's a program I'm promoting called Leads Leap. Okay. And then you just put your product description in here. Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete all this. And then you just put in your outputs at the bottom. Okay. And then you're going to generate your content. Okay. So if you want multiple ideas, you could go up as well too. So I'm gonna generate 10 ideas that I could go to here, and then it is pretty accurate as well. It's more and more human-like. So it came out with this. So you want more website traffic, but don't know how to get it. And all right, and then the agitate. You've tried all the usual methods, buying ads, SEO, social media marketing, but they just aren't working out as well as you'd like. Solution Leads Leap is a unique marketing system that gives you all the tools you need to get traffic to your website with our powerful list manager, page builder, and pop-up creator. You can create pages and ads that will attract attention, drive traffic to your sites. Plus, we offer 50% recurring commissions and on all sales. You can make money while you sleep. Okay, so of course there's some parts that may need editing, but for the most part everything's already done for you. Okay, and this is the PAS framework. That's problem, agitate, solution, and that's a valuable framework for creating new marketing copy ideas. Okay, so we're actually going to go to some other examples here. Let me go. So this is a personalized cold email that you could write. Now, if you have writer's block and you need a email marketing sequence or email marketing follow-up, because that's what I struggled with when I first started online marketing, you could just go into the personalized cold emails, and then you could put in just state in your own words or copy and paste what the market's about, company name, and then you could add some stuff in the context to include in the email. And then they also have the tone of voice, so you could have bold. You could just click on this little icon here. It'll pop up with some more different tones of voices. Okay, so yeah, funny, casual, excited, professional, witty, sarcastic, feminine, masculine, bold, dramatic. All right, so there's that, the personalized email. And you could do a website as well. Do commands, content improver, perfect headline. Let's see. You also have blogs. Do a blog post if you have issues writing blogs. Do different ads. Facebook ad headline, Facebook ad primary text, Google ad headline, also e-commerce as well. You have your Google ad headlines. You have your video topics, video script outline, video titles, video script, and introduction. Also, you have a video script description here in YouTube as well too, but I chose to do the one earlier in the video. Okay, so but you could do that one as well. So let's just click on that one. Let's see. How to advertise on social media. Advertise. Let's see how wait a minute. Let's see here. How to advertise on social media. Okay. And then we'll put, for example, Facebook. All right. So we'll put a output on here. Okay. And here's one that I came up with on the fly. So, are you looking to advertise on social media? This video will teach you how to get started with advertising on Facebook, the world's largest social media platform. You'll learn what types of ads are available and how to get your audience some more. Okay. So that's a good one. So you could use this template as well, but I just, like I said, chose to use the other one. But there's different templates, different choices. You have your email here, your commands. You can tell it what to do, exactly what to do or how to write the email. You could have your personalized cold emails, what I showed you earlier, and then you also have your subject lines, and you could do these eye-catching subject lines, and you could, of course, edit them as well too. All right. Now this is also a free trial if you want to go ahead and click on the link below to get started, and have a good one.